Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So you can see here all the visible notification panel icons, and just to remove or to add some icons or just to change the positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And now just here you can see all our visible, and these icons we can add here. For example, just to add the screen recording icon, hold for a while and drag it here to this up visible section. And by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to add one more icon here. But to remove the icons from here, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. And you can also go with this back, and by the same way you can see just add or just remove some icons from here. And just to change the positions of the icons, hold for a while the icon and drag it just to another section, and then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.